Now let's turn to the other direction. Yeah, the rest will be practice. As long as you remember these principles, these details, then exactly. Mind rules the body. Now, from the backward 8, we go to the Roberto 2. But see that we have to do that element that we were using to start. So that could be the link from turning one direction to turning the other direction. Now see, that's the one in this case. Because of the angle, you don't need to enter. One more time. That will be ideal to step close to your partner's foot. So kind of gives a geometry if you do it in that way. Let's see from the other point of view. We will practice to stop at that point too, to work the technique. Let's do it one more time from that angle. Okay? Let's try it. With no music. Stop at that moment.